Put your mask on, bud.
I'm going.
That's what the store wants.
Is it creating a key?
Yeah. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I got a key made.
It's making a key.
These are amazing colors. You donated $1.
Oh, no.
Look, it's spinning, Blake.
When is it gonna eat your...
What's up, buddy? You're trying to record it.
Oh. Look at all the digital bites in it.
Oh, yeah.
Digital bites. And then the higher
Kids are amazed by this. It's a cool thing.
Is it gonna eat the key?
Yep. And it's going to turn it into a big monster.
No.
No thanks, Tyler. Just no thanks. Because we only needed 1 extra key. No, we don't need 3.
No, but the Frosty is gold and silver. All my friends will be so jealous.
Blake, are you happy watching that? Isn't that cool?
I want it. It's over.
Uh-oh. It spit the key out.
I got it. Now eat the key.
Don't fly out without your keys.
Get that,
Please
Tyler.
remove your key and rest safe with
See
our
if they
accuracy
match.
guarantee.
I'm all Steve.
No, line them up next to each other. Put one on top of another. Flip your key over, Blake. No, you were right the first time. Sorry. Alright, whatever. Was that fun, guys?
Yeah, we need to. We'll test it
Yeah,
when
it
we.
was.
We'll test it when we get home.
Alright, bye.